Hello and welcome to the Tuga Handyman. In this video I will show you how to make this key hanger. This is the template I'm going to use. I leave a download link in the comments. I like to use these stick glues as they don't create a very strong bond and allow the template to be removed with some ease. The wood I'm going to use in this project is MDF with 1 cm thick. I'm going to use a flat router bit to make the notch. As the bit does not have enough diameter, I will make 2 passes, one on each side. These Forstner drill bits are great for making clean holes. In this case, I will use a 30 mm one. It is very easy to make these cuts with an inverted jigsaw. To make your inverted jigsaw, just screw it to a board and make a hole to pass the blade. It's super easy. The disc sander helps a lot in this job, but it doesn't do everything. It's time to bring the hand tools, files and rasps. With 120 grit sandpaper, I do the finishing touches. Here you can see how easy it is to remove the template when using stick glue. But there are always some places that are harder than others. Finishing sanding with a block of fine grit sandpaper. These hangers are fantastic. They allow you to hang without leaving any space between the piece and the wall, as long as you make the necessary notch. For this key hanger, I'm going to use 4 hooks, and before painting, it's a good idea to drill the holes, so there's no risk of damaging the paint. Although it doesn't look like it, the color is grey. The hooks in darkened browns provide an excellent contrast. The key hanger is complete. On a white wall you can already see the grey color. I hope you enjoyed this project, which is easy to make and very functional. And I'll see you in the next video!